And presenters in our session are Jennifer Clark, and she's the executive director of the California Leafy Green Research Board. Fadi Fatullah, he is the chair and professor, the Department of Biological and Agricultural Engineering. Pauline, I cannot, pronounce her name, but I hope that I can. Contenter, head of the business development and partnership in FarmWise, and me, I'm Farzaneh Khorsandi. I'm assistant professor of CE, the Department of Biological and Agricultural Engineering at UC Davis. And I'm going to give you a very short overview of this session. It's a big surprise whenever I talk about farm workers' safety and health. A lot of people don't know that agriculture is one of the most dangerous industries in the United States. Usually it's among the top 3 most dangerous industries in the United States. And as you can see in this graph, the fatal work injury rate for farming, fishing, and forestry is 23.3, which is, one of the highest one. And this is, the number of fatalities in 100,000 full-time workers. And this is, a pie chart that shows the percentage of fatalities. And as we can see, tractors and ATVs and other vehicles are the leading cause of fatalities in agriculture. And the second one are machineries, and it follows with falling heights, falling objects, and other stuff. And beside the fatalities, we have, the injuries in agriculture that, okay, this is, this is the statistics for year 2018. And we can see that we had about 17,000 non-fatal occupational injuries in agriculture. And as you can see, majority of them are physical hazards. And those physical hazards can happen because of forceful exertions, heavy lifting, and carrying, stooped posture, and rapid hand works. And in our session, first of all, Fadi going to talk about musculoskeletal disorders, and go give more details about this physical hazard.